Hey there, future coders. We're going to talk about data types specifically for Python. There are 4 basic data types in Python. They're integers, floats, boolean, and strings. Integers are whole numbers that are positive or negative, including 0, and have no decimal point. Floats are also numbers that are positive or negative but have a decimal point. A boolean is either true or false. More on that later. And a string is just a sequence of characters surrounded by single or double quotation marks. In Python, the data type is set when we assign a value to a variable. We can use the type method to get the data type stored in a variable by simply surrounding the variable with the method. We can also explicitly convert one data type to another using casting and using these functions. To convert from integer to float, for example, we just use our integer variable and surround it with the built-in method int. A string is an array of characters. That means it's iterable but also immutable. We can also declare multi-line strings to a single variable. Since strings are like arrays, we can access each character using indexing, and we can loop over each character using a for loop. We can get the full length of a string when we use the len function, and if we want to check if a certain phrase or character is in our string, we can use the in or not in keyword, which will return a boolean value depending on the result. There's more to strings like slicing and modifying, and I'll cover those in a separate video, so please like and subscribe for that video. Lastly, booleans. We can evaluate an expression and it will either be true or false. This is how we get our programs to make decisions based on conditions. Thank you for your time. This has been Coder's Domain on data types.